Yo, somebody transformer just blew. Dang, somebody ain't got no lights. Can you stay on for me?
That like a old street though.
Is Mr. allergic to it?
No.
Allergic to what?
No. Oh yeah, he is. So
We
get
all
him
gonna get sick.
out.
So Grandpa house still look intact.
Oh, stop for that. Look, that thing almost fell apart right there.
Oh yeah.
Oh!
Jesus Christ.
It was about to collapse the whole house.
Oh, Grandma car would have went bye bye.
And look at that basement. And look at that basement right there. Wait a minute. Hold on, my car been hit. Oh, never mind. I thought this car was loose because this car.
No, Grandma car still.
Got hit with
I got poison ivy on me.
Nope, Grandma car still intact. Oh, you can Mr. Whiskas. Hey, Mr. Whiskas. Look, Mr. trying to come back here, but
Man, look at it, bro. This one right there. That house got wrecked.
that got wrecked.
Oh man, look at Mr. Skin though. It's windy. Now what did y'all people do to make God that mad? Look.
There's another tree up there.
Mm-hmm.
It's blocking off everything.
What if you trees not over here? They over here now.
Dang.
Oh no, that's a whole different truck.
Some